Hi, I'm Anna the Hurricane Holton, and you're watching D-Source TV.
Y'all know the name. D-Source.
Ano kaya to? Flashing the pan lang kaya itong Jeremy Lin, o nakikita mo na tatagal yung kanyang career sa NBA at yung kanyang popularity?
Alam mo, depende siguro yan sa health niya, no? Kasi ngayon pa lang injured na siya. Pero yung skills niya, pwedeng tumagal kasi hindi naman siya kailangan mag-score ng 30, 20 every game, no? At saka ngayon, nasasanay pa lang siya mag-point guard. Kaya, more on health lang kasi ang NBA, marami rin namang magagaling na player na 1, 2, 3 years lang dahil sa injuries na wala rin, diba? So sana healthy siya.
Hey Jeremy, Philippine Media. Manny Pacquiao said he idolizes you and he's proud to be Asian because of you. Do you have any comments about that?
I mean, he's obviously, you know, he's done a lot more than I have, so a lot of respect towards Manny. And, I'm obviously a fan of his, and you know, I don't really even want to begin to think that he idolizes me. That's he's done way more, and so you know, much respect to him, and hopefully his career continues to go well, and hopefully we get to see that fight that everybody wants to see.
Definitely, thank you.
Jeremy Lin opened doors for Asians to conquer itong NBA. Actually, ginawa yun, sinubukan gawin niya ni Yao Ming, pero hindi talaga naging ganun ka-successful, no? Pero this time, isang maliit na Asiano na talagang physique natin, build natin. Nakikita mo ba na somehow may mga Pinoy na rin nalalabas yan at sisibol and eventually magiging NBA player?
Alam mo, pwede, bakit hindi? Lalo yung mga nasa States na mga films. Kasi, ano naman yan eh, si Jeremy Lin, talagang hindi lang naman siya pumasok dyan ng basta-basta lang. Talagang hard work lang eh. Kung makita, at least meron makikita yung mga gusto pumasok sa NBA na okay, kung siya nagawa niya, ba't hindi tayo? Kasi nga hindi yung hirap dun eh. Minsan yung parang stereotype na yung galing sa labas, makita nila na Asia na meron, yun nga, nandun na yung, mahina sa depensa to. Pero at least nakita nila na ngayon mas open na sila.
Na-break yung barrier, no? Nawala na yung discriminations against us, no?
Parang si Manny noon, di ba? Tingin nila sa Pilipino noon, parang ano lang, tok-tok driver lang, parang sparring partner lang. Tapos yun nakita ngayon, nakita na po siya, Pilipino pala, you know, matitibay din. So,